Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an Electrolux Compact condensing dryer and on the display you are getting an Ex92 error and you're wondering, what is this error, why am I getting it, and what do I need to do to fix it? So this particular error, 99% of the time, if you're getting it, it's because you have recently replaced either your user interface or your electronic control board. And when you did it, you replaced it with the wrong user interface or control board, because each one, the control board knows what model it's supposed to be in and what interface it's supposed to be interacting with. And if there's a mismatch there, it will put up this error. So what you're going to need to do is figure out, if I just, like for example, if you just replace the interface, you got to go, uh-oh, I put in the wrong interface, and you got to figure out what is the correct interface and replace it with the correct one. Or if you just replace, the control board, same thing. You go, uh-oh, I put in the wrong control board. I got to figure out which is the right control board based on my model and put in the right one.